Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase online visibility with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a Wix website is a great first step toward increasing your online visibility. Start by choosing a domain name that reflects your brand. Select a website template that aligns with your business goals and aesthetics. Customize your chosen template to match your brand's color scheme and style. Add essential pages such as home, about, services, and contact to provide crucial information. Ensure that your website is mobile friendly, as mobile traffic continues to rise. Integrate SEO elements from the very beginning. Use keywords relevant to your business in your site content. Fill in title tags and meta descriptions for each page to improve search engine rankings. Utilize Wix's built-in SEO tools, like the SEO Wizard, to guide you through optimization. Create original and engaging content regularly to keep your audience interested. Incorporate multimedia, such as images and videos, to enrich user experience. Add social media buttons to connect with your audience across platforms. Consider a blog section to share valuable insights related to your industry. Engage with your audience through comments and social media links. Analyze your traffic using Wix's analytics tools to understand visitor behavior. Monitor which pages receive the most views and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Make sure to include clear calls to action on every page to guide your visitors. Use Wix's email marketing features to keep your audience updated. Regularly promote your site through various channels and online advertising. Join local and online forums to engage with potential customers and share your expertise. Collaborate with influencers or other brands to reach a broader audience. Keep your website updated with the latest information and offerings. Finally, continually assess and refine your strategies based on performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.